staying hydrated during these hot summer days is super important. Nutrition educator Lynn Matava shows us how we can rethink our water and kind of jazz it up with some fun, fruity ice cubes. Check it out.
We all want to be healthy, and it's easier to be healthy when we find things to do that are simple and fun. Staying hydrated is so very important for our health. It helps nutrients and oxygen get to our cells. It aids in food digestion and helping our food move through us comfortably. It helps regulate body temperature, which is something that's it's always important to regulate body temperature, but it's very important in some of this extreme weather we see in the summer and the winter months with the high temps and really low temps. And water helps us wake up. So, first thing in the morning, it's a great way to get your body moving before you have that cup of coffee, if you drink coffee. It's also, if you're in the middle of the day kind of having a little slump, you could go for a brisk walk, you could drink a glass of water if you're not able to get up from your desk or whatever you're doing. So it's just a great way to give your brain a little boost and refresh. Swapping out sugary beverages or fruit juice for water can reduce calories and increase hydration, and water is the healthiest beverage choice, but with all the other options out there, it might seem pretty dull. So, I'm here today to ask you to rethink your drink. Now, I know we've done some infused waters before where we've put fruits and vegetables in the water, but it's really hot outside, so I thought it would be really fun today for us to talk about, oh, they've frozen on my plate a little, making some ice cubes that are flavored. They're kind of fun cubes, and they've got your fruit in them. They're bright and colorful, and I use some of these larger sized containers to make really big ice cubes. These are inexpensive and available almost everywhere that they sell kitchen utensils now. So I've already got water in this one so we can make some new fun ice cubes. And then I've got some that I already made here. So I'll show you the ones that I made. I've got some that are raspberry and mint that I threw in there. They're just fresh mint leaves and some fresh raspberry. I found some blueberry and some lemon balm from my garden outside, and I threw that in there. If you have lemongrass or something like that, you could use that. You don't have to have either of those things. They're just something I threw in there to make it colorful and fun. And then I've got these that I haven't even opened them yet. Let's see what we got. Oops, these are little balls, and you fill them with the holes in the top. And I put some frozen cherries I had in the freezer in these, and they're nice little round orbs. And then I had some frozen cranberries, and so I thought it'd be really fun and colorful to do cranberries with a little bit of lime. So I sliced up some limes into little teeny bits and threw them in there. So just some more fun little cubes. And again, now that they're out of the containers, they can just go into a bag or a bin in the freezer, and you've got them to plop in your water, and they should stay for most of the day. And all I did is put water in one of these containers. Everybody knows how to make ice cubes. I know a lot of our refrigerators do it now, but really this wasn't difficult at all, just something easy and fun to do. And then I just started sprinkling fruit in. And that goes into the freezer overnight. And then tomorrow you've got a nice batch of really fun, flavorful ice cubes. If you don't have these, of course, you can use the old-fashioned smaller kind. I just really like these big ones because the cubes will last a little longer, and you only need a couple of them, say in a water bottle, and they're really fun. But how easy was that? So just a great way to rethink your drink and stay hydrated throughout the day.